Hi everyone, once again welcome back to the session. So in this video, we're going to see about how to apply for TANCET application 2021. So simply what you can do here, go for Google Chrome, open a website, simply type tancet.unacademy.edu. So இதை type பண்ணீங்கன்னா you'll be taken into a website, official website for TANCET 2021. After getting into that, so kindly have a note of these dates, these important dates. So the registration has already commenced on the 19th of Jan, and the last date to apply it is 20th of 12th of February. Okay. So apply பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி what are all the important documents which you really need to take it up along with you to apply for TANCET, to register for TANCET application 2021. The most important thing is you need to take your 10th and 12th mark sheet, either your original or photocopy. Okay. So that has to be with you. You need to have a soft copy of your photograph and soft copy of your signature. So we can start applying for that. So I'll tell you along with the process how to apply this. Okay. So first, if you were box open agum. So you need to first register for this. So go and click the register option here. After clicking that, you'll be getting a page open for you. In this, you need to type your name. I'll type some name like XYZ, and you need to type the registered mail ID for this. You need to type the mobile number. You need to type your exact date of birth. You need to enter the password. So minimum it should be 8 characters. Okay, maybe you can use letters and numbers, and then you need to confirm it. And then the next one, your SSLC, that is your 10th roll number. Okay, that will be provided in your mark sheet. So the path you need to type it very clearly, and also community, which community you belong. Either type if you belong to OC or PC or BCM or SC or ST or SCA, whatever the case, you need to type accordingly. And then most importantly, the nativity pathina, if you belong to the state of Tamil Nadu, you need to select Tamil Nadu. If not, if you are other state person, you need to type others. And then most importantly, the choice of examination pathina, if you are looking for TANCET MBA, go for MBA. Or if you are applying for MCA, go for MCA. Or if you are applying for MBA and MCA both, you need to do for this. And if you're looking for ME or MTech, you need to select this. After that, it will take you to a CAPTCHA. Enter this CAPTCHA clearly and then click submit. So submit koduthinga, you'll be taken into a page where after getting it, you need to type your exact mail ID of it. Right? So I'll give you a exact or demo mail ID, right? So let me type some demo account and click on register. So if you click on register here, one box will open, the website page will open where it will ask you to go for a payment. Right? So examination fee for 2 courses, if you have selected, it's going to be 1,200. And if you try to give the payment, it will open a box where you need to choose a payment. If you're going for cards, that is for credit card or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date and every stuff and click on proceed. If not, if you're going for any of the net banking possibilities, you have these many bankings here. So out of this, whatever banks you have, you can click it and do the payment. So after doing this payment, you'll be redirected. You'll be redirected for one exclusive page where it will be asking you, your 10th and 12th mark sheets in one page. After completing it, you need to go for the uploading of pictures. Your photograph, your professional photograph soft copy, and also your thumb impression. So either not your thumb impression, they will ask you your signature. Okay, either rendume mobile phone photo eduthu you can compress it and fix it accordingly to the given pixels, and the pixels, if you can make it, upload it. After doing that, they will ask you your choice of center. நீங்க இருக்கிற இடத்துல எது கிட்ட இருக்கோ, what center you have very near to you, you can choose accordingly to that. And after doing all these process, it will directly take you to the final outlook of your application. So if everything is marked right, you just click on the submit button. With that, your absolute registration process for the TANCET 2021 will be done. So இது மட்டும் தான் நீங்க பண்ணணும். Make sure you have your 10th 12th mark sheet. Along with that, you need to have the soft copies of your photograph and signature. Along with that, if you have credit cards or debit cards or net banking, you can use it for the payment. That's it. So this will be the short, very simple process for TANCET application 2021. And one more முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னா, don't wait for the last day. Don't wait for the last day. For example, if you see, as I told you already, இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா the last day of registration is 12th of Feb. Don't wait till 12th of Feb. Why? Because now the last dates, if you wait for it, some of the things will get crashed. உங்களால பேமெண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது சரியா, இல்லைனா you can't able to upload the photographs. So don't wait for the dead end. Try to do it as soon as possible. இப்பயே பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா then it will be very easy for you. And most importantly, after doing that, you can check your final status of application on the Feb 17th. Feb 17th in the website you can see the status of your application, and exactly on March 5th you can able to download the hall ticket provided for you. So March 5th there will be that will be the exact date for downloading hall tickets. And results பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will be on or before 16th April, and mark sheets பாத்தீங்கன்னா on or before 20th April. And also, if you see the examination dates, as we know already, for MBA and MCA it is on the morning time 10 a.m. to 12 noon of 20th of March, exactly on Saturday. MBA ku pathina the very same day, March 20th, but the timing is on evening 2:30 to 4:30. Okay. For ME and MTech, it's going to be a day after, that is for 21st of March on the morning slot 10 to 12 noon. That's it. So I hope this video is literally useful for everybody. So எப்படி பண்றது, என்ன website, go for this official website, that is tancet.unacademy.edu. In the website போனீங்கன்னா it will show all the guidelines. Do it correctly. Don't mistake any of the numbers while typing, especially typing your roll numbers for 10th and 12th. உங்களுடைய SSLCயும் HSCயும் டைப் பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா டைப் இட், and don't do any of the single flaws there. Okay, that's really important. So I hope this video is really useful for many of the people. And with this, we'll wind up the session of how to apply TANCET application 2021. And bye bye guys, see you, thank you.